In this video, I will show you how to sell your designs on Canva. To sell your designs on Canva, you need to contribute to the Canva marketplace as a creator. So, let's get started. Open your browser and search for Canva Creators. Click on the first result. Click on the Become a Creator button. Here, you will see multiple options to choose from, such as elements and templates, where you can create and sell designs and graphics. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Click Apply. Fill out the form and click Submit. Select Elements. Click on Register. Fill out the form and click Submit. Now, wait for approval. Canva will review your application. If approved, you can start uploading your designs. You will get a creator dashboard like this, where you can upload your designs or graphics.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.